And of course, not everybody can do this. Not everybody has $100 million. They can do it because they have Microsoft backing them. Not everybody. Okay. Now, this is a video that is supposed to play and illustrate, let's see if it will work, the effects of scaling. Okay. So we'll play it one more. So these are tasks that you can do, and it's the number of tasks against the number of parameters. So we start with 8 billion parameters, and we can do a few tasks. And then the tasks increase, so summarization, question answering, translation. And once we move to 540 billion parameters, we have more tasks. We start with very simple ones, like code completion, and then we can do reading comprehension and language understanding and translation. So you get the picture, the tree flourishes. So this is what people discovered with scaling. If you scale the language model, you can do more tasks. Okay, so now, maybe we are done. But what people discovered is if you actually take GPT and you put it out there, it actually doesn't behave like people want it to behave, because this is a language model trained to predict and complete sentences, and humans want to use GPT for other things, because they have their own tasks that the developers hadn't thought of. So then the notion of fine-tuning comes in. It never left us. So now what we're going to do is we're going to collect a lot of instructions. So instructions are examples of what people want Chat GPT to do for them, such as answer the following question, or answer the question step by step. And so we're going to give these demonstrations to the model, and in fact, almost 2,000 of such examples, and we're going to fine-tune. So we're going to tell this language model, look, these are the tasks that people want, try to learn them. And then an interesting thing happens is that we can actually then generalize to unseen tasks, unseen instructions, because you and I may have different usage purposes for these language models. Okay, but here's the problem. We have an alignment problem, and this is actually very important and something that will not leave us for the future. And the question is, how do we create an agent that behaves in accordance with what a human wants? And I know there's many words and questions here, but the real question is, if we have AI systems with skills that we find important or useful, how do we adapt those systems to reliably use those skills to do the things we want?